What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ant. Today we're gonna make a classic egg salad. Why is it a classic? Because it was made a long time ago. In fact, it was made in the year... I don't know. Come on. Now what you want to do first is put some eggs and water in a saucepan. Now you notice I have 4 eggs here. I usually only use 2 eggs, but I'm making a double serving. Anyway, this is also one of the situations where you actually want to put the lid on. So you put that on medium heat and let it roll for about, in this case, 20 minutes. Normally it would be 19. Okay, so our eggs have been cooled, they've been peeled, and they've been mashed, so to speak, with this handy dandy large fork. So now it's time to add a few more things. Now right here we have some whipped dressing and some sweet pickle relish. And some people don't season their egg salad. I like to. Now this right here is salt, cinnamon, and curry powder. Sounds kind of weird, but trust me, it works. There's our finished egg salad. Now one thing I would like to mention is that you look at the recipe down below, you really don't want to add any more curry powder or cinnamon than you absolutely have to. Not only will it offset the flavor, but it'll kind of offset the color too. I mean, you don't want to eat brown egg salad, do you? But actually, there are brown eggs, but then there aren't brown yolks in them. They are a little darker, but they still have egg whites, not egg browns, and I really gotta stop letting my mind wander. Now, I like to make egg salad sandwiches on Texas toast, but first you have to make sure that the product tastes good on its own. And it does. Well, that's all I have for you. You know where to find the recipe. Thanks for being with me, and I will see you again soon. You know, maybe I should cut this first.